Okay, this episode, the one you're watching right now, is gonna be super extra special. Extra special. You know why? Guess why? I'll tell you why. I'm gonna show you my mouse. I mean, that's pretty special. Okay, if you guess what his name is, it's like 5 little like word things. Then I'll give you like $1. You'll like give me your email, and then like I'll give you $1 because like it's really hard to guess, and it's like really completely random, and it's like 5 words, and the last word is the third. Like there were 3 of them before him, but there actually wasn't 3 of them. He was the first, but I called him the third because it sounded cool. Okay? And then there's like 4 other words before that. So, yeah, just kidding, and I won't give you $1 because that's illegal. Actually, I don't know what it is. Let's go see the mouse. Okay. I don't want to scare you. Okay, so the cage is right down here. It's right down there. Okay. Now let's scare you out of your little cage. Mousy! Come on. Oh, your cage smells like poop. Oh, go. See him? He's right there. Oh, and he's really soft. And I'm not going to get him out because the last time I got him out, I was going to show it to you guys, except my computer died and it didn't record it, and he bit me and I started to bleed. And I had to go to the hospital and get my finger amputated. See, look. Part of my finger is missing. So